Hi, welcome to Storytime. I'm Miss Judy with the Carteret County Public Library in Newport. Saturday, March the 5th is known as National Unplug Day. So that means we're supposed to limit or eliminate our time using the screens like your TV or your computer or tablet and get outside and enjoy what nature has to offer and spend time, quality time with our family. So today, I thought we would read a really fun book called The Couch Potato. This book is written by Jory. So, do you know what a couch potato is? That is someone who likes to sit on the couch and do absolutely nothing but watch TV or play on their tablet or their computer. So let's see what he learns about being a couch potato. I'm a potato. Not a small potato like my brother, not a sweet potato like my mother, not a mashed potato like my Uncle Stu. I'm a couch potato. Oh yeah, it's true. My favorite place to slouch is on the couch. I spend all my free time sitting in this exact spot. Why would I ever leave this comfy, cozy couch? It's got everything a potato could need. Do you like sitting on your couch and getting all comfy and cozy too? See, I have this, and one of these, and those, and this, and that, and these. Do you have some of these items you see here? Oh, and this, check it out. This button activates a gadget that fetches me snacks whenever I want. Bam! Impressed? And I don't have to move an inch. Much easier than going to the kitchen. How would you like to have one of those fancy things? Look, it gives him his milk and his cereal. He never has to move an inch, just like he says. If the most important thing in life is to be comfortable at all times, then I think I've got it all figured out. But wait, there's more. I haven't revealed the absolute best part about my whole setup. Look at that. Paints his nails, combs his hair. But what's coming next? It's everything you see in front of me. Have a look around. Take it all in. Pretty spectacular, right? Yes, it's a sea of shimmering screens from wall to shining wall. What joy, what bliss. Look at all those screens. These screens feature my favorite shows. This screen has all my unanswered messages. These screens are where I play my video games. And this screen is a live stream of my friend, my best spud for life. What would you do with all those screens? This is how my pals and I spend quality time together. It's much easier than trying to meet up somewhere, like folks did in the old days. That's for sure. Hey, Spuddy. Hey, Paltato. Yes, from this very couch, I can control everything in my life all the time with just a few taps and a couple of clicks. Not bad, eh? Yes, sirree, this is the life. At least that's what I thought until the other day. Oh, what do you think might have changed his mind? What do you think might have happened? Something strange happened. There was a knock at the door. It was a delivery. Whoosh. Look at that. He's got a place for deliveries, too. It was my newest device, a video camera that would allow me to watch myself react while I was watching all my favorite shows. All I had to do was plug it in and in my room, my kingdom, and would be complete. Look at all these plugs. But suddenly, what do you think happened when he plugged this in? Might not be good. Everything went dark. Look out! Coming through! Oops! Ow! Whoomp! He's bumping into everything. You can't see a thing. It's pitch dark. I made it to the windows. I pulled back the curtains. That sunlight seemed brighter than I remembered. Look at him. There was nothing better to do, so I decided to take my dog Tater for a walk outside. It had been a while. Do you go outside every day? I try to. Everything was so vivid, like high resolution from a 156-inch curved screen, but it was more realistic. Something smelled fresh. After a few moments, I realized that was the air. I heard a noise, some chirps, a ringtone perhaps? But no, I looked up and saw birds. I wandered down the street from block to block and across the neighborhood. There he goes. Eventually, I found a park with a hill. There was a massive tree on top. It looked like a desktop background, only it was real. I leaned against the tree. It wasn't as comfortable as my couch, not even close. But after a while, it wasn't so bad. He looks relaxed outside in nature with his dog, taking it all in, rediscovering things he'd forgotten about. Any worries about the power outage and what I might have missed drifted away. I wasn't thinking about my favorite shows or any unanswered messages or anything else, really. I noticed the stillness, the view, the sky, the clouds, the sunset, and those colors. My goodness. It took a while because there was no fast forward option, but eventually the sun sank below the horizons. Have you ever noticed the sunsets that we have here where we live? We have some beautiful sunsets that look a lot like this. You should go out every evening and take a look. By the time I got home, the power was back on. I sat on the couch. Phew! I hit the button to brush my teeth. Look at that. I pulled the lever to change into my pajamas. I turned the knob to watch a bedtime story. Good night, Spud. Then I noticed my reflection on one of the screens. I wondered how much of my life had been spent in that very spot. It was then and there that I made the decision to peel myself off the couch a bit more often, maybe every day even. What do you think about that? Instead of sitting in front of our screens, it's pretty important to go outside every day and get some fresh air, some sunshine. And that's what I've done so far. I've started hanging out with my friends, my best buddies outside. We started biking and hiking and swimming and hiding and seeking. Sometimes we have snacks and play board games. Sometimes we talk all day. We might watch the clouds. There's no big plan. We just see what happens. Yeah, they're playing some games. They look like they're having a really good time. Looks like stuff I would enjoy doing. How about you? With your friends? It's even more fun. It makes me wonder, what if I don't always need to be totally comfortable? What if I'm happier when I have a better balance between my gadgets and the world outside? Because it turns out that I'm more than just a couch potato. I'm an amusing potato. I'm a smart potato. I'm a kind potato. I'm an entertaining potato. And I'm a sit on the hill and watch the sunset potato. What kind of potato do you think you would be? Yes, there's a great big world out there, and I want to be a part of it in person. Look at that. But don't get me wrong. At the end of a long day, after I've run and played and talked and laughed with my friends, I still think it's awfully nice to slouch on the couch. He's got a good book in his hands, relaxing with the dog. And that's the end of our story. So what do you think about that? Would you like to always be a couch potato? Or do you think it'd be more fun to go outside and enjoy some time with your friends and your family and beautiful nature? And we have a beautiful area here where we live. So I hope you enjoyed our story today. Please come by and see me. I'd love to see those bright smiling faces of yours. And we always have some fun crafts for you to take home and do. So I hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.